Earthquake! Oh no! I think this actually did some damage. Oh no! Oh god! Oh shoot! There's a fire! At least it did. At least it did get all the. Oh no! Oh crap! Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh no! Fire department! Oh shoot! Please! Oh! Well, I took the fire department out. Police is gone. We're gonna have a complete total blackout. Yes, all of our property. I have the yeah, I guess. Well, stick a fork in us, darlings. We're done. Well, here. Here's the monster. Just put the city out of misery. And then a freaking monster shows up. Yeah, the whole plant, the whole industrial portion gone.